It's Jeremy for another video. Today we're going to view all of my helicopters from Cosford Airshow. No, not Cosford Airshow, Cosford Model Show. So to start with is there's a Hawk 172 scale. Instructions are very good for instance. It's actually very easy to do. A little bit hard, but it's still good. So when I bought this kit, it has no canopy, which was unfortunately not good. So you have to stick with the helicopter. But the helicopter was just an amazing helicopter. I just have to just leave it like a black one. No decals, but still looks nice like this helicopter. See? I'll put the graphics. Let's go to the next model, which is the airfix lynx. It has three, and last one, this is, I don't know how you pronounce this, unfortunately, but this one's a has two. So let's go to the has two helicopter. So here is the lynx helicopter. Lynx looks like it's from 1981. Very old pet, which is, yeah, you can see how it was old because of the, you can see it's by the decals, which is coming off. So yeah, decals are very a little bit hard to do because it's very hard. While I was doing the decals on this helicopter, it was very soggy, which was I mean not soggy, like a bit. Yeah, I kind of like soggy, but a bit sticky at the same time, which is good for the helicopter. It can spin freely, tail rotor can spin freely, also the water blade can spin freely. If I can try. There you go. Next one is the airfix lynx, which was a very old model, very hard to build because it's very hard. There was no instructions, so I have to stick with the helicopter, what I think it used to look like. The blade actually can spin freely, but it's hard because it just wobbles off, which is the problem. During that helicopter, the wheels went wrong. Yeah, about that. It still looks nice if it's like this. Sadly, the Lynx helicopter is now retired, which is unfortunate. It was a good helicopter, but I don't know why would they have to retire the good helicopter for no any reason. And that's my both links. Now let's go to the Sea King. There's another Sea King. This one's a HAR MK3. A very different model kit. You can see it's made in Japan. £9, which is like about £10, which is good. So let's review it. The last one. Okay, this is the last one I have. So let's review it. Yeah, let's go. So obviously the blade can't even spin freely, which is unfortunately bad because obviously it will just wobble off like the lynx. Tail rotor is good. Sadly not spin freely. I thought it will, but no. I have to use my pen to do this because the decals would sorry for the squeaking, but the wheel, no, because the decals that came off, when it gets out of the water, it strips out, which is unfortunately I don't like. Also, I have to use a pen. I done well on this one here for the engine, but here no. Tail rotor, no decals for the tail rotor, obviously. There's another version of the Sea King of this. There's a you can do with this, or the what do you call this? The Navy version, which is I'm gonna do next time. It's kind of like the airfix one, but here it's the front, which is I like. So yeah, that's my review of all of my helicopters from RAF Cosford model show 2019. I got this from April 7, 2019. Was coming event, but sadly I didn't bring my iPad to show all of the models, sadly. But yeah, comment down below which one was your favorite helicopter here. So this is my last video in the helicopter video now. This is my last one, sadly. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Leave a like and smash that subscribe button. So I will see you later for another video. Yeah, goodbye.